Hey everyone, are you seeing a secure boot error when trying to boot from your Ventoy USB drive? This issue usually happens because secure boot blocks unsigned bootloaders, the Ventoy key hasn't been enrolled yet, or you're using an older version of Vent. Fortunately, the fix is usually quick and only needs to be done once on each computer. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Ventoy secure boot error step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Ventoy. New releases include compatibility improvements, bug fixes, and updated secure boot support. If you're running an older version, download the latest release and update your Ventoy USB drive. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Locate the secure boot option and confirm whether it's enabled. If secure boot is disabled, this specific error is likely caused by something else. Now insert your Vent USB drive and open your computer's boot menu. Select the Vent USB device to begin the boot process. If Ventoy displays the secure boot enrollment screen, choose Enroll key, then follow the on-screen instructions to register the Ventoy key. This is a one-time process for each computer and allows secure boot to trust the Vent bootloader. After the enrollment is complete, restart your computer and boot from the Vent USB drive again. If everything was configured correctly, the Vent menu should now appear without displaying the secure boot error. If the error still appears, verify that your ISO file was downloaded from an official source and isn't corrupted. You can also temporarily disable secure boot to determine whether the issue is related to Ventoy or your computer's firmware settings. This helps narrow down the exact cause before making additional changes, and that's how to fix the Ventoy secure boot error. By updating Ventoy, completing the one-time key enrollment, and checking your firmware settings, you can solve most secure boot issues and boot your ISO files successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.